Oi, Jaden, come check this out. We've got like a box of AKs now from that raid, and like a box of half a metal kits.
Yeah, we do.
Holy shit, where's Viper? Viper, where are you?
Oh, I'm coming.
Dude, check out this box of AKs and metal kits.
What the fuck? You're gonna go upstairs, you fucking scam artist. That's mine. You need arrows too, you fuckhead? Zeke.
Yeah, arrows please as well.
Rex.
Hurry up, I need the bow.
Nice one, Zeke.
Thank you.
Oh. You little fuck. You little bitch.
Zeke's such a dick. Oh shit.
I've got a 180-second bag timer. You. Wait, boys, how do you edit the shotgun trap? Like, how do you.
How do you edit the shotgun trap?
Like, to make it shoot people and stuff.
Stand up!
No, how?
You gotta take the bullets out 5 times and put it back in 6.
Look at this dude.
Huh?
You gotta take the bullets out 5 times and then put it back in 6 times.
Are we clear?
I need water.
Am I actually in there?
Yes, look. Can't you see?
I can't look. Oh! Wait, take him out, or else I'm gonna fucking kill myself.
I put you off TC.
Oh, fuck, what's the wrong thing?
Yeah, it's
Is
out. It's out. You're good.
Oh!
Go stand by the campfire to get your health up.
Surprise, motherfucker.
What the fuck?
Viper, could you put this in the flame turret, please?
No.
The low grade on your feet, by your feet, Viper.
Huh?
Low grade by your feet. What? Now we need to stock up on food when we go roaming again.
You fucking
Jesus,
idiot, dude.
Don't. Wise.
What?
This is
I drew?
No, it's a jackhammer. Oh my god, you go near it!
No!
Right, actually, I need to do something. Move. Oh, turn it off. It's off. It's off.
Haha, bitch!
Oh, it's
Fuck!
gone. Oh my god.
Oh fuck!
I'm on 1 health. Bye, Zeke.
Oh, Titan! No!
What? I died of reds.
Oh, no, buddy! I saw you!
My mom's calling. Mom, do I have to do the potatoes or are you doing? Oh shit! I think they're burning.
Has he got the number there?
I'm not there yet.
Well, fucking go, John.
Okay. Alright.
Hello. How's it going? You there? I swear to God, wait. I swear to God, like, I just spawned and I swear you there, I just killed that scientist with my cleaver.
You shoot him in the head.
Huge thanks to Viper for being a newbie at this game. Without him, we wouldn't have been able to get in those clips. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.